If there's one thing I hate about Tesla, it are the rims. I love rims, but god damn it, they get curb rash. All right, welcome back to the channel. Dan here from Tesla. So yeah, curb rash is definitely a problem. If you have curb rash, you're probably stressing about it, how to fix it. When you're driving around, you're probably stressed about getting curb rash. It's hard to find a Tesla without curb rash. So it's definitely a problem. I know everyone out there is struggling with this. So the good news is I found a solution. This product is amazing and it's going to change the way you deal with curb rash. Before I get into it though, please take a second and subscribe. So the good folks at MagBak reached out to me, wanted me to try out their Tesla accessories. Now I had a look on the website and all they have is phone cases and phone accessories. So I was kind of confused. They do have a phone mount for the back of your Tesla screen, but they do have another accessory for your Tesla, which is groundbreaking, like I said before. It is called the Rim Case. Now, what this does is, you can see on the back here of the picture, it goes on the outside edge of your rims. So basically, if you have curb rash already, this will get rid of it, or hide it at least. And the other awesome part that I talked about is that you install it in segments. So basically, if you have these installed and you get curb rash on these guys, all you have to do is change out the segment and then no more curb rash. So it's going to be a lot cheaper to fix your curb rash, which is amazing. So let's go ahead and open these up and see what they look like. There's a couple of things. You got some stickers, you got your instructions, some more stuff. I don't know, that's where I'll have to look into it. And basically this is the kit. So it looks like you have the little 3M tape that come in pieces. So they're just like that. So these are going to clip on to your wheels. Now, so basically it hides any rim curb rash that you already have. And if you were to get some again, you don't have to buy a whole new case. You just buy that individual section that you got damaged and you replace it. How easy is that? So anyways, it's a lot cheaper than going to having that repaired. So definitely a great option. So let's go ahead and check these out, get them installed, see what they look like. All right, so we have some damage here. So let's go ahead and install these so that we can get rid of this ugly curb rash. First thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna wipe down the tire, the wheel. Make sure you don't have any oil or grime or stuff like that. Now we're gonna take the alcohol pad. All right, so now we have these little clear plastic things, almost like a PPF almost. So we're gonna start off with the thin one. These are gonna go over here along the entire edge. Just gonna put these, and you're gonna have a little bit biased to the left. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You're just gonna get there, just add some protection so that you're not gonna see this at all, so don't worry about it. So there's a specific one for the valve stem. You're going to start there. Just remove this 3M tape. And then we're going to bring it here, angle it kind of down. You'll see the thing. That's not it. There you go. Go with the next one. There, it clicks. So once you get this one on this side, the other side will click in. So it's kind of loose on that side, but once you get them all in, they should click. So on the last one, you're going to use this pry tool to kind of pry this open while you get this guy in. If you want to rid yourself of curb rash stress, you definitely need to get these. If you already have curb rash, you're going to hide that embarrassing curb rash. And it's also, once you have them on, you're not going to have to worry about if you get further curb rash, because it's going to be an easy and quick install and cheap as well. So if you want to get yourself some of these, head over to magbak.com. Use promo code NortonTesla15 for 15% off. That's huge. They retail for about $300 US for the set of 4, so that's about $50 in savings. And the only downside right now is they only have the 20-inch induction, which is for the Model 3 and Y, as well as the 21-inch Uber turbine for the Y. So not yet for the 18 or 19s. I'm hoping they do soon. And when they do, I will definitely let you know, because I have the 18s. I definitely need them on my car. A little bit of curb rash from the wife. Shh. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss videos. And yeah. All right, if you want to rid yourself of... All right, welcome back to the channel. Still recording? Okay. This is a product for you. Now, induction or 21-inch. Sakes. Okay. Oh dear.